I kid you not, there is just confetti and candy and wrappers everywhere. I mean, the whole entire place. And even in the dirt, even over here in the gravel, it's just filled with confetti. So what are you gonna do if that happens to you and you have a big party with confetti? And how do you clean this up, you might ask? Well, I have an idea. Ooh, this one still has chocolate in it. Score! Get out your leaf blower. It's awesome. I've been using it today on this crazy mess, and it's really making a difference. The idea here is to use the leaf blower to move the confetti up onto the concrete where it will be easier to sweep up. And what a great job it is doing. Oh my gosh, make sure you have plenty of battery power. I went through 3 full-size batteries on this one job. If you have any little weeds to contend with, if you just jiggle the blower back and forth, it will eventually get the confetti out of the little bushes. It is so amazing, and I'm so grateful for this tool. If you love having confetti parties, I highly recommend buying one. Or if it's a once-off situation, I would borrow one from a neighbor. You do know your neighbors, don't you? I have to admit, this was actually kind of fun. But then again, I've always enjoyed cleaning for some strange reason. But even if you don't enjoy cleaning, this makes the job so much quicker and easier than any other way I can imagine. It works pretty good. It does a great job getting in between the cracks and grooves too. Just effortless. So the idea here is to move it into a space where you can sweep it up more easily. So all the confetti came up onto the concrete. And then once you get it up on the concrete, you can blow it into a area and then sweep it up. So much easier. Oh, no, the wind is picking up. Ah! Okay, time to put the camera down and start cleaning. Okay, sweep it up. This is one of 4 piles scattered throughout. And then they're easy to pick up with a dustpan. Well, I'm all done. It looks so much better. No confetti. I averted the confetti crisis, and I hope you can too. There is one more option. Skip the confetti altogether. You'll have more time for celebration.